Coming to the next question. Question tells to calculate the current I2 of T in the coupled circuit. The diagram given is this is 30 sin T 0.2 Henry, 0.1 Henry. This side is shorted. The current flowing through this is I2 of T. Dot is given here, and in this case the dot is given here, and the mutual inductance is given as 0.2 Henry. I1 is flowing in from here and I2 is flowing in from here. So we need to find the value of I2 of T. Solution: since current is entering from both the dotted ends, so we can draw the diagram with the mutual voltage or mutual induced EMF, positive, negative, since both are entering from the same end. Sin T, you have this as 0.2 Henry, this you have mutual is 0.2, so 0.2 current flowing is di2, so you'll have I2 by dt. Similarly on the other side, positive, negative, 0.2 di1 by dt. This value is 0.1 Henry. Current flowing is I2 of T. Current flowing in is I1 of T. So this is the final diagram. So what we'll do, we'll apply KVL in mesh 1, KVL to mesh 1. So it will give me 30 sin T minus 0.2 di1 by dt minus 0.2 di2 by dt is equal to 0. Now I'll apply KVL to mesh 2, that is this mesh. This is mesh 1, this is mesh 2. So it will give me minus 0.1 di2 by dt minus 0.2 di1 by dt is equal to 0. So I can say it as minus 2 di1 by dt is equal to di2 by dt, or I can say therefore di1 by dt is minus half di2 by dt. Following this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now if I substitute di1 by dt in equation 1, that is substituting 2 in 1, what I'll get, 30 sin T minus 0.2 minus half di2 by dt minus 0.2 di2 by dt is equal to 0. So I'll get this as, this will be 0.1, this will go to positive. I can say 0.1 di1 by di2 by dt to minus point, this will be plus 0.1 and minus 0.2, so you will have minus 0.1 di2 by dt minus 30 sin t. So you have finally di2 as 300 sin t. So after integrating you can find the value of i2. So I can find i2 as, i2 will be, therefore first I'll integrate this. Can say i2 is integral of 300 sin t dt from 0 to t. So this will be 300 minus cos t from 0 to t. So after substituting I'll get i2 as 300 1 minus cos t. So this is the value of i2 of t. So 300 into minus cos t, you'll substitute the variables, so you get it as 1 minus cos t in this case. Next problem you can try on your own. Question number 4, diagram it remains the same. We need to find again i2 as in the previous question. Just one change is done in the circuit. Here the dot is given on this side, here the dot is given on this side, that is the direction of current is changed. Rest all the values are the same. So you can try this and find the value of i2. This is again 30 sin t, this is 0.1 Henry, 0.2 Henry and i2 of t. So you can try and find the value of i2 of t.